Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. So I'm going to work on my experimental horror film further using my Fujica Z800 Single-8. What I've also done here, using some original Fujichrome R25, and with this, what I've done is each time I really do this, I will go ahead and put me a marking with a marker, a magic marker, here, make sure everything's advancing. Always like to make sure everything is working properly. Alright, so upon that you're doing this, what you want to do is first, if you're just getting into experimental filmmaking, low budget filmmaking, you want to make sure you get a camera, shop around for a camera that suits your needs. Alright, whether it be single 8, super 8, whatever it is, and it has the functions that suit you and for your filmmaking desires. Alright, so that's the first big key you want to understand right there. Alright, so with these, this is one of mine, and as far as my camera of choice goes, besides the ZC1000 Fujica Single-8, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start and film a bit of my experimental horror film right here, and just to let you know, I will have the camera tilted up, the cell phone camera I mean, so not to expose anything until the film is released. Action. Okay, so after I filmed a little bit for my movie, I'm going to go ahead and open up this door, just like so. And you're probably thinking, Paul, for those of you who don't know, why is it, piece of dust there, that you're opening up the door and probably exposing part of the film? Well, I am. Right here. See the marking? I'm checking the marking from the magic marker to make sure the film did advance. Always checking my cameras. Alright? And another thing, look what this film tells us. See that little indentation on the bottom? That means I'm out of film. That this particular spool of film, the cartridge of film, is out. When you have this little notch right here. Okay? You can also look inside the camera. The camera will tell you, depending on what type of camera you have. Okay, so it advanced. I got one cartridge done, and hopefully I can use this for more advanced things. And concerning exposing this part of the film, it's going to give me some beautiful orange burst in there that'll look great for experimental. It really will. Okay. Okay, so that's it. Shooting some of my experimental horror film, continuing with my Fujica Single-8 Z800. Alright, so got a good part done that I've been wanting to get done, and of course not exposing what I'm doing at the same time, but giving you a taste of what's going to come in the film. Alright, just a bit. Do contact me at the social media outlets provided on the screen, and remember, as always, do subscribe. Until next time, later.